Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I've decided to do something a little crazy. I'm going to use 20 colors plus black and white on this 8 by 20 inch stretch canvas. I'm using 4 cups that I've already pre-treated with the Blaster silicone, which looks like this. That way the paint will release easier in the cups. None of the paints that I've pre-mixed have any silicone or dimethicone in them, so what I'm going to do every few layers in the cups, I'm going to put a few drops of the Spot On treadmill lubricant so I can hopefully create some pretty cells. It's going to take me a little while to get all these colors in these 4 cups, so let's get started. I'm going to start with white in the bottom of every cup, and all these colors will be listed in the description. Okay, I'm going to top off the cups with black. Okay, I have all my colors in there. I've layered some of the Spot On treadmill silicone in there. I'm going to let those cups set for a moment, and then I'm going to give them a slight stir. I think I put more than enough paint in these cups. So let that sit there for a moment. See some cells popping up. Got some pretty colors going here. Definitely colorful. That is beautiful. I got quite a lot of paint on here. I think next time I try this, I'd probably just use 3 cups of paint instead of 4, because it looks like I have enough on my table to do another painting. Stretch this out just a little bit more. Definitely interesting, and definitely have some interesting color combinations here. Let it sit there for a moment and see what else comes up as far as cells go, and then I'm going to hit this with a torch. I have enough on my table to dip a canvas, see what happens there. Got a band of cool cells right in here. Some more stuff popping up. Sure is a lot of color. Very happy with this. I have a lot of cells still developing, and I have a feeling that more will develop the longer this sits. I'm very happy with this. I hope you guys have enjoyed this too. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will not miss another video. Stay tuned for close-ups. I'll see you next time. Bye.